that thing on.
It says record in red.
Yep, it's recording then. I'm right here.
I know, I got you.
Maiden flight on my Twinstar 2.
Make
With stock motors instead of the brushless. I'm going to convert it to brushless, but we'll try stock and see how it does.
Sure.
You might have to walk out here a little bit. I'll just have to fly out here farther, huh? Yeah, that's why the trailer's going to block it. Wow. Get out here and it's going to fly without motors.
Well, I lost the damn thing. There it is.
Downwind.
Come out, I can find it. But as soon as I try to zoom in a little bit, I lose it.
Yeah, and the thing is with zooming in, when it's just low cast, if you don't have it in the camera,
It loses focus, don't
it'll
it?
go out of focus if the plane's not in there.
Really? There isn't anything to do. No. I went out and played with that.
It's flying good, even though it's windy and the wind's just blowing it around like crazy.
Must have enough power.
Definitely got a little lift. Half throttle right there. I'm still barely going into the wind. Stock motors are pretty quiet.
Yep.
We got them. Combat wing motor. Wow.
See, at least today in this overcast, I can see the screen. When it's real sunny out, I can't see the screen, period.
That one is better, at least, than my other camera, but it's still hard to see. Ain't enough power for ground takeoff. Launch 2. It's about lifting out of my hand from the wind.
Oh, crap. Where'd it go? You need a freaking weightlifter for a camera, man.
It kind of wears your arm out, don't it?
Oh, shit, my shoulder gives up.
It didn't stick very good. Oh no, that might have been one of the servos rattling. Camera on, Doug. How's your arm feeling, Doug?
It's better now.
Camera heavy?
It's better now.
First test flights.
Do now though. No crashing this time.
I hope not.
Better get up there behind it.
Oh, I think I'm all right from here.
Okay.
It'll take off in that dip.
Woo!
Once it went, it went.
It's a typical cat.
Listen to that sound though. It sounds like a real turbine.
Acts like a scalehead. I can't hardly turn it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. I lost it.
Oh, shoot.
It just went down. It just went down. I was going across there.
I guess we're going to get it again.
It was kind of touchy, and all of a sudden,
Back in the jungle again. We haven't found it yet.